Our client is the Center for Maternal and Newborn Health. They are a research organization out of the University of Liverpool in the UK. And they basically create these training programs for birthing attendants in underdeveloped countries across the world.
We were focused on building sustainable growth and funding strategies for our client. They had enormous growth in the past few years, but the funding would be running out. And so they needed not only to know where to grow and how they would get there, but how they were going to fund their current operations and anything new that they do.
We really decided that in order to understand our client and their customers the best, which were the donors, we had to travel to the two hubs that they could serve. And we really found that traveling there and that research helped us understand a donor that our client hadn't tapped into yet.
One of the reasons why we went to the UK specifically was because we're focused on going to where the decision makers were and understanding our client more intimately with what their strengths and capabilities were. We went to both London and Liverpool, and we interviewed people nonstop. What we really gathered from talking to people in person was the subtle attitudes towards their feelings of giving funds and how they make their decisions.
All of them were different. There wasn't any really way to segment them or categorize them, and we started to use a one-to-one marketing strategy.
We focused specifically on the decision tools that they would need and all the criteria that their stakeholders felt were important, and gave them a synthesized tool to enable their conversations.
The MBA skills and what we brought to our client were so impactful. A lot of the recommendations we made were very tangible things that had a huge impact for their organization.
The opportunity to work on a project that helps women around the world and save lives and save babies, it was really rewarding for me.
It really redefined for me what I think about helping organizations in the nonprofit sector.